Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create and bend the sheet metal and also how to add the louvre embossing to this sheet metal. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D sheet metal drawing into this 3D sheet metal part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this folded sheet metal part. In step 1, we create the base sheet metal and then we fold it 2 times with the Make Wall tool. Now, activate the Make Base Wall tool and then set the parameters. Set the parameters according to the drawing. Next, we add the flanges to the sheet metal edges with the Sheet Metal Make Wall tool. Select the edges and then activate the Make Wall tool. Next, set the parameters of the flanges in Flange Properties task panel. Keep the inside bend radius at least equal to the material thickness. Means set the radius to 1.5 millimeters. Repeat the procedure again. The procedure is the same as the previous bend process. Check the dimensions. Edit the bend length mode from outer sharp to inner sharp. In step 2, we create the 4 holes in Part Design workbench. Select the top face of the flange and then activate the Sketch tool. First, sketch and constrain the circles and then dimension them later. Select the center points of the circles and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Now put the dimensions between the circles. The radius of the circle and the distance from the edge is not given. Next, extract the reference edge for dimensioning. Now, we create the other circles with the help of the Symmetry tool. Now switch to the Part Design workbench and then create the holes with the Hole tool. Select the sketch and activate the Hole tool. Click OK to confirm. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we create the embossings on the sheet metal with the forming tool called louvre. Now, I open which is already created forming tool called louvre. In sheet metal exercise 6, I showed already how to create the forming tools. Next, copy the louvre body and then paste it in the sheet metal body. Now, we change the size of the forming tool according to the requirement. The height of the forming tool should be 6 mm. Edit the pad to change the length of the forming tool. Change the position of the forming tool to select the faces. Now, check if the sheet metal body is active. Select the bottom face of the sheet metal and hold down the Control button and add the top and the side face, and then invoke the Make Forming in Wall tool. Now rotate the embossing 90 degrees and position it in Y direction. Unhide the louvre body and repeat the procedure several times. Checking the height of the forming tool from the bottom face. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.